New today, Senator Nicole Mitchell will be sentenced on September 10th after her burglary conviction last week. Experts say the senator's situation shows how important it is to do estate planning before it becomes a problem for family members.
Well, Mitchell's father died suddenly without a will or any directive for family to follow. And as Paul Bloom tells us tonight, courtroom testimony recounted the hard feelings his loved one struggled to navigate his estate.
Tell me what was going on related to sorting out your dad's estate after he died.
So, because he died without a will.
This testimony was critical to Senator Nicole Mitchell's claims about breaking into her stepmother's home last year.
And then we had the argument over your father's ashes, the internment.
Yes.
It was painful to watch. That aspect of it.
For Minnesota estate planning attorney Ed Matthews, he saw a tragic family breakdown.
It's Nicole. It's Nicole?
Oh,
I was just trying to get a hold of my dad's things because he wouldn't talk to me anymore.
And a cautionary tale for others.
How ugly do these things get on the back end when someone does pass away and plans are not made?
Incredibly ugly, Paul. I mean, it doesn't, I'm not surprised anymore about the things people fight over. Guns, mom's pie plate, jewelry, ashes, who gets what vehicle. It just leads to family fighting.
And having just seen all the stuff of dad's in the basement.
In the Mitchell case, the lawmaker's father, Rod Mitchell, had died a year earlier without any legal documentation detailing his wishes. As Matthews points out, no will, no specifics on burial, and no guidance on what he wanted for either his remains or his belongings. In the end, the courts gave the entire estate to his spouse, the senator's stepmother, Carol, who is dealing with a recent Alzheimer's diagnosis, and not Nicole Mitchell, his only biological child.
That was the real issue here. This was a second marriage situation, and it seemed like there was some animosity between Carol Mitchell and Nicole Mitchell, and Nicole's dad, Rod, just didn't have any of this documented.
Making things more complicated, $250,000 in inheritance from a Mitchell aunt who also passed away unexpectedly. Her money ended up folded into the senator's father's estate, meaning in the hands of Nicole's stepmom.
Lori had died very suddenly, did not have a will. She had to do a will last minute, and it was just done very quickly. There were mistakes made in it.
Ed Matthews' advice, plan before it's too late.
There's no better time to plant a tree if you want shade tomorrow than planting that tree today, and estate planning is the same way. I mean, Rod Mitchell passed away at a pretty early age of 72, and it would have been so much better for the family and preserved harmony if he had had a proper estate plan in place.
Ultimately, a jury found Nicole Mitchell guilty of first-degree burglary. She has since announced her intentions to resign from the Senate within the next couple weeks and is looking at some time in jail when she is sentenced in September. As for what goes into planning an estate, Ed Matthews, the attorney there in my story, he plans to join our Fox Local Digital All-Day show live on Wednesday to answer any questions you may have. That again, noontime tomorrow. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.